Hi and welcome to Faro. We are a promotional product supplier with over 35 years of industry experience. Our products are proudly made in North America and we specialize in metal manufacturing. What we're best known for is our custom capabilities. Today I'll be bringing you on a shop tour through our factory in Montreal, Quebec. This will bring you behind the scenes and allow you to see how our products are made and all the hard work that goes into it. We'll start off in the mold room. First, we have to cut the magnesium. This will create the original piece for the order. Next, we place products into the rubber mold, placing multiple orders into the same mold. Here we're cutting channels into the rubber mold to allow the molten metal to disperse properly throughout every crevice of the mold. When we create lapel pins, we actually have to pin the mold before we pour in the metal. That's what you see here. Pins are put in one at a time in order to allow them to fuse onto the metal as it's poured in. Next, we pour the molten metal into this machine that will use centrifugal force to disperse it into every crevice of the mold, and we recycle whatever metal is not used in this process. Next is the vibratory process, where pieces are poured into this large vibrating drum with small ceramic stones and water, and here they will be smoothed out and prepared for the next stage of production. When we have really tiny pieces, we actually have to go through by hand after the vibratory process and find the pieces in the stones. This can be quite a long and labor-intensive process, as you can imagine. Our plating department is where items are plated in this large rotating barrel in either a copper, brass, or a nickel finish. Items are then moved along to our buffing department, where they are hand buffed one piece at a time. This will remove any of the antiquing and shine the piece up nicely. We move along to our digiprint department, where we can do a full 4-color process printing directly onto raw metal. This is a great way to add intricate detailing onto a piece without bringing up the price too much. We can print on 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional pieces. Our digical printing is where we print custom-shaped decals in a 4-color process. Decals are then cut to shape and finished off with a clear epoxy dome and placed into a metal casting. Next is our epoxy department, where items are hand color filled with epoxy. Some orders call for an extra applique or decoration to be added to each and every piece. That's what you see here. Next is finishing off the decals that you saw printed earlier. They are finished off with a clear epoxy dome one piece at a time. This will give the piece a higher perceived value. We move along to our assembly and packaging department, where all the finishing touches are added to each and every piece. Pieces are then put into their individual polybag or otherwise included packaging and put into boxes. Boxes are then moved along to our shipping department, where they are weighed and ready to get sent out to customers. So in a quick 3 minutes, you get to see how our products are made and what happens behind the scenes here at Faro. For more information, feel free to visit us online at faroproducts.com or get in touch with your distributor today. Thanks so much for watching.